So Oukitel has announced the Oukitel WP55 series, and the series includes the Oukitel WP55 and the WP55 Pro. Both devices are very identical, with one major difference that I'll mention in this video. Both devices are expected to launch before the end of May, and they are expected to be very affordable. Anyway, we'll explore the top specs of both devices in this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.
You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast looking for a rugged phone that packs a punch. Both the Oukitel WP55 and WP55 Pro come loaded with identical specs except for one crucial difference: memory. Both models flaunt the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 5G chipset for slick performance. A vivid 6.58-inch FHD plus display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a versatile 108MP camera system for all your photography needs. And let's not forget the colossal 11,000 mAh battery that keeps you going for days without a recharge. Plus, they're rugged enough to survive your wildest adventures. So what's the difference? The WP55 offers 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, while the WP55 Pro cranks it up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. More RAM means smoother multitasking, and extra storage means more room for your stuff. Oukitel's got your back, whether you need the WP55 or the Pro.
Additional features includes the latest Android 15. Both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K. They're also military-grade standard 810H certified. The devices have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock, OTG, NFC, dual SIM, GPS and other essential navigation systems, and the essential sensors like proximity gyro, accelerometer are all supported. So these are the top specs of the Oukitel WP55 series. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.